everyone. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck, a nostalgic blend of classic design and modern technology. If you're a fan of old-school trucks with cutting-edge performance, this one's for you. Exterior. Design. A perfect retro-modern fusion. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup pays homage to classic GMC trucks of the 1960s and 70s while incorporating contemporary styling elements. It features a boxy yet refined silhouette, complete with a bold front grille, round LED headlights, and chrome accents that scream retro appeal. The truck sits on rugged all-terrain tires with classic steel or optional alloy wheels, giving it a versatile stance for both city streets and off-road adventures. GMC offers a variety of color options, including heritage-inspired shades like forest green, classic red, and midnight black. The bed of the truck maintains a vintage aesthetic with a wooden bedliner option, providing a nostalgic touch while enhancing durability. Modern touches like power tailgates and integrated cargo management systems ensure this truck is as practical as it is stylish. Interior. Retro luxury meets innovation. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that masterfully blends vintage charm with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard features analog-inspired gauges, reminiscent of classic GMC trucks, but with a modern digital display seamlessly integrated. Leather and suede upholstery options, along with real wood or aluminum trim, elevate the luxury feel. A massive infotainment touchscreen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dominates the center console, allowing for easy navigation and entertainment. Expect premium Bose audio, wireless charging, and heated and ventilated seats to ensure maximum comfort on every drive. GMC also throws in some old-school touches, like a classic column shifter and retro-style buttons for an authentic feel. Performance, power, and capability. Under the hood, GMC offers multiple engine options for the vintage pickup truck. A 5.3L V8, producing 400-plus horsepower, is the standard choice, while a 6.2L V8 pushing over 450 horsepower is available for those craving more muscle. For the eco-conscious truck lovers, a turbocharged inline-six diesel delivers excellent torque and fuel efficiency. An all-electric version might also be in the works, following GMC's commitment to electrification. It would feature a dual motor, set up with an estimated 600 horsepower and over 300 miles of range, making it one of the most powerful and sustainable vintage-inspired trucks ever built. Paired with GM's 10-speed automatic transmission, the truck promises smooth acceleration, whether you're cruising the highway or tackling rough terrain. Speaking of off-road capability, the vintage pickup comes with an optional AT4 package, featuring skid plates, off-road suspension, and a locking rear differential. Safety and technology, modern protection. In a classic shell, safety is a priority, even in a truck with vintage styling. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera system. The truck also boasts GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving, making long road trips more enjoyable. Airbags, reinforced steel construction, and stability control ensure that this truck isn't just stylish, it's safe too. Pricing and availability. What to expect? The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck is expected to start at around $55,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $80,000 depending on performance upgrades, luxury features, and off-road packages. The EV version, if confirmed, could push the price beyond $90,000 due to its advanced battery technology and high-performance specs. GMC plans to release this truck in late 2024 or early 2025, with pre-orders opening soon. Demand is expected to be high. So if you want to secure one, stay tuned for official announcements from GMC. Final thoughts. Is the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup worth it? The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck is a dream come true for classic truck lovers who also appreciate modern performance and technology. With its retro-inspired design, powerful engine options, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge safety features, It strikes the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. Whether you're a collector, an off-road enthusiast, or someone who just loves a good-looking truck, this GMC pickup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. What do you think? Would you buy the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup truck? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting car content. See you in the next one. GMC Vintage Truck 2025 GMC Classic Trucks Retro Revival. Here's your 600-word script on the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup truck, covering its interior, exterior performance, safety, and pricing. Let me know if you'd like any adjust.